In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating 70% carbon dioxide transport in blood for reaching the lung so that the exhalation process or expiration will be facilitated. For this, we need to understand various type of carbon dioxide transport in arterial blood and venous blood. Carbon dioxide is transported along with the hemoglobin as carbaminohemoglobin at a level of 5% in arterial blood, at a level of 30% in venous blood. Carbon dioxide is transferred as carbonic acid at a level of 90% in arterial blood and 60% in venous blood. Carbon dioxide is transported in dissolved form in the level of 5% in arterial blood, 10% in venous blood. With this specification, we are choosing option A as a correct answer. Why? Because if you are calculating the mean value 90 and 60, it is coming for about 75. So approximately in that range, the 70 value is coming. That is the reason why we are choosing option A as a correct answer. With this specification, we are ignoring option B, C and D to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? Again back, we are giving as a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference. Carbon dioxide from respiratory tissue to the lungs is transported by the blood in 3 ways. In dissolved state or in a physical solution, very small amount physically dissolved in plasma, that means 7%, or else we can say another way around 0.3 ml of carbon dioxide by each ml of the blood. So in this way the carbon dioxide is getting transported. Bicarbonate ion transport is coming for about 70%, that means 2.5 ml per 100 ml of the blood. Carbon dioxide diffuses in plasma and then into red blood cell, where in the presence of carbonic anhydrase combines with hydrogen molecule, that is water molecule, to form the carbonic acid, which is almost spontaneously dissociated into hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion. Carbaminohemoglobin at a concentration of about 23%, that means 1 ml of carbon dioxide per 100 ml of blood, combines with hemoglobin forming an unstable component. With this specification, we are choosing option E as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.